Nandito ako sa stockyard ng isang dealership at may nakita ako magkatabi na isang Hilux J na 4x2 and Hilux na 4x4. So also there's another one here. So we will try to give a comparison. Okay, so for the front, this is the 4x4 4x2J. Okay, this is the front and this is the 4x4. So if we look closer, okay, headlight is the same. Okay, no fog light, the same. Okay, the front is exactly the same. Okay, as for the tire, okay, what's the tire for this one? It's 205 70 R15 for the 4x2, and for the 4x4 it's 225, okay, 225 70 R17. So 205 against 225, no? So mas malapad to. Okay, okay, this is bigger. And for the body, these are just in the parking, so di nalinisan pa to. But anyway, we will just make a quick comparison. Okay, and for the bed, okay, it's the same. Okay, and we will take a quick peek on the inside. So the cab is exactly the same also. Okay, so what's the difference? Okay, we're going down. The difference is look there, no? The leaf spring is on top of the differential. Okay, this is the spare tire. Okay, still spare tire also. And let's look at the bottom of this one. Okay, so that's the main difference. Okay, the leaf spring is at the bottom, okay, of the differential. So that's a difference in height, no? The position of the leaf spring. Now we will look inside. So this is the inside. Okay, for the 4x4 and okay, there's a space here for you to put your tools there. Okay, and this is the way it's holding the seat, no? So technically, okay, we'll close the door, we'll open it. It is the same. Okay, how to open this? Here, pull this, then pull this up. Pull that one. This one. Okay, so it's the same. We're able to borrow the key, so we could go inside, no? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to look at the other car so we could see side by side, no? Technically, yeah, look, aircon is the same, stereo is the same. Okay, so what's the difference? Okay, speedometer, steering wheel, wiper, okay, signal light and the light. Okay, it's manual. we're going to look at the 4x4. So the same. The difference is this one. The 4x4 has H2, H4, L4. Okay, and differential lock switch. Okay. So interior wise, it's exactly the same, other than the 4x4 switch. This is 6-speed. Okay, so we're going to the other car again and take another peek just to make sure. Okay, how many speed is this one? Okay, this is 5-speed. The other one is 6-speed, and the rest, yeah, here. Okay, that's a difference. Okay, so this is just a quick review, no? I just saw it in the parking, and I decided to film the 4x2J and 4x4J for a comparison. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.